Really easy to forget to do something good for yourself every day. Let's change that today. Hi friends, welcome back to Yoga with Nancy. I'm Nancy, and today I'll be taking you through a 10-minute morning yoga stretch for beginners. Nothing more is required, just your own body. Starting our day off with 10 minutes of stretching will really help open up the body and calm the mind. A good little morning stretch is actually proven to reduce stress in the body and even improve blood flow to the brain, which will naturally leave you feeling more energized and awake for your day ahead. I know a lot of us wake up with stiffness in the morning, so it's super important to get all parts of the body moving as early as possible in your day. So if you're ready to go, let's get started. Let's start by taking 3 cleansing breaths to come back to the present moment and tune into our body. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Breath in and exhale out. Breath in and exhale out. We'll start with a side body stretch. So bringing one hand to the mat and the other above your head. Really opening up through the side body here. One side and then the other. Back to the center and over to the other side. Take a twist over to the right. To center and twist over to the other side. And twists are really beneficial for your inner organs. So doing this right in the morning will kickstart your digestion. One more on each side. Remember to breathe. And we'll go ahead and take some neck rolls here. So rolling the neck to one side. And then switching directions, going the other way. Allow yourself to release the tension in your neck. And now we'll go front to back. Stretching out the front of the neck and the back of the neck. Moving on to wrist circles. Moving in one direction and then the other. Opening up the joints of the wrist. Now drop your legs to one side. Look over the opposite shoulder and drop them over to the other side. Opening up the hips. Come back to the center and come onto your hands and knees. Wrists underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. And move into cat-cows. So drop your belly, breathe in, and round your spine as you breathe out. Breathing in and exhale out. Really opening up the spine here. Now bring your left hand to the center of the mat and lift your right hand up. And thread your right hand underneath your left. Opening up and threading. Opening up and threading your right arm underneath. Rest your right cheek on the mat and bring your hand forward. If that feels good for you, you'll get a deeper stretch in your shoulders here. Breathe. Now come back to the center and we'll switch sides. Right hand to the center of the mat and left hand threads underneath the right. And this time, rest your left cheek on the mat. Bring your right arm forward, getting that deep stretch in the side body here. Remembering to breathe here. Deep breaths in and out. And coming back up. Tuck your toes under. And we'll do some arm circles here, opening up the chest and the shoulders. So we'll move in one direction. Making large circles. And in the opposite direction. Remember to breathe in and exhale out. And we'll take it over to the other side. And switch directions. Amazing. Okay, now we're going to move into a toe stretch. So tuck your toes under if that feels okay for you. And having your hands on your knees makes it a little bit of a deeper stretch, but if that's too much for you, you can bring your hands forward onto the mat. That will relieve some of the tension there. So depending on how deep of a stretch you want for your toes, choose your stance. Now coming back onto your hands and knees, start to roll your ankles in one direction and then the other, opening up the ankle joints here. And now we'll come to sit and bring your legs out forward. Arms come up. And as you exhale, fold forward as far as you can, reaching for the toes. And if you can't reach the toes, that's totally normal. Just go as far as you can go today. Remember to breathe. Nice. Now we'll move into a twist. So bring your right leg to cross over your left and twist over to the right. Peek at the video if you need some more guidance. And breathe into this twist. Let's take it over to the other side. And twists are super good for the body. They really cleanse our inner organs. So remember to breathe here. So for our last stretch, we'll move into butterfly. So bring the soles of the feet together and fold forward. Breathing in and out. You did it. Let's end this practice with one cleansing breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Repeating this affirmation to yourself. I have all that I need to move through my day with ease. I have all that I need to move through my day with ease. Thank yourself for showing up today and starting your day off with something good for your mind and body. The world will be better for it. Thank you for practicing with me, and I hope you have a great day ahead. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.